We are Jess and Maya, and if you don't know us yet, you'll quickly notice our extreme passion for travel. We just made it to our 18th country together, and we are excited to share our adventure with you.
Welcome to Mexico City! Alright, so we're here with Jeremy in Mexico City, and we're gonna go broke. Today, he's making us do a cooking class, and it's gonna be freaking awesome. We just got to the Mercado de Turisto, and we are about 30 minutes south of the main part of the city. And we are so close to the mountains, we're all starting to feel a little bit of an altitude vibe. Jeremy's recovering with Dramamine here on the bench.
And it's already so exciting. You can see the houses built up on the mountains, and I don't even think the video does it justice, but it's so beautiful.
How much further up do we go still from here? A lot more?
Like a 20 minutes driving.
Okay.
Is that high in the mountains?
Yeah, it's in the middle. Yeah, you feel that?
A little bit.
Okay, my sister, she told me you are vegan. Sure?
What is it? I'm a vegetarian.
Okay.
Yeah, so
and all of them not.
No.
Okay, okay. But yeah, there is no problem because right there in the kitchen there is beef and pork. But for you, we can have more cactus.
Yeah, perfect.
And mushrooms.
Perfect.
And because we are going to do chilaquiles.
Awesome.
Yeah, and we are going to prepare the tortillas. We are going to fry them. We are going to prepare the salsa, the sauce, and everything. We're going to take 2 hours maybe.
wow, so
Awesome.
excited.
This is
You're
great.
hungry?
Oh yeah, always.
Okay. Maybe we are going to need some tunas. You know tunas?
This is tunas?
Yeah, está perfecta.
So this is like a cactus fruit. I had no idea it came with fruit on it too.
Maisita. I'm sure I'm gonna have to bite the seed.
I know, man.
Good. Really good.
Can you bring a sweater?
No! I
Yeah, this is
Mexico City stuff.
yeah.
It's crazy.
Yeah, who knew?
I had no idea that Mexico City had mountains like this. And now, looking at this, I feel like we're in Switzerland. And here's the shop where we're gonna be, supposedly we're gonna be cooking on wood stoves, and there's actually no electricity out here at all.
Some water.
How many pesos was it for all those vegetables?
73 pesos.
73?
72 pesos. Like $3.
Yeah.
Something like that. Some put right here.
Okay.
The clean.
The good ones?
Yeah.
Oh.
Maybe the price was like 1 peso, you know?
Well, yeah.
This one?
Yeah.
Where?
Feel free. Feel free. Feel free. There is no mistakes.
This is for the salsa?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Split them? Or no? No? Okay. Split them?
How do I flip it out?
Or maybe with the hand.
She's stressed out.
I told her we're that stressed at home. Yeah, for the chilaquiles. Wanna eat
Just take a look because I don't know if there is
What?
I don't know if there is peppers on it. Yeah. Yeah, there is one. No, let's take it out.
¿Por qué no peppers?
but let's try it. You know, like let's try if they are
See
they
how hot
taste
it is
them.
first?
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
Ah, like this one.
You know, smell that and touch that,
Mmm.
and looks like sweetie one. Looks like a candy.
It does.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know. No for
It's
you.
like weird skin. Oh my gosh. Wow. This is my first michelada somehow, and it's fantastic. I thought they all had clam juice in them, but it turns out that's not true. It's basically just spicy candy and beer, which is like, how can you go wrong? So good. So good. How's it going?
My arm's tired. Need some muscles.
It's probably really good, huh? Professional.
You.
Who's going to taste them?
I'll taste. That's really good.
I say more pepper.
Make the bowl and then make like a roll like this. Yes, perfect. Don't press a lot. Make it flatter. Put your hand like this. Yeah.
Oh no!
Perfect.
Oh, Jeremy?
Yeah.
Help me? Yeah. And you stand there.
Get back to work, Maya.
Put it up.
I don't know how I'm gonna make that one into a triangle. This?
Yeah. So now that we cooked the tortillas, chopped them all into triangles, they're now being deep fried in that pan.
Maybe not.
Wow.
Wow, that is good. Holy shit.
Yeah,
That's
incredible.
really good.
Dinner time! So Maya's got the squash blossoms,
Sure.
cactus, beans, and the chilaquiles. And then Jeremy and Luis and I have, is this rice?
Yes, beef. Called cecina.
Ah.
For sure not.
Do you like nachos? Delicious?
Oh my god. The chips are so good. Alright, guys. Alright, guys. This has been a crazy experience. We absolutely loved it. You guys have to look these guys up on Airbnb. If you're in Mexico City.
It's definitely a great experience, and it's only probably like an hour outside of central Mexico. Definitely worth visiting this beautiful mountain. So if you guys have enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe.
Alright, we'll see you guys on the next one. Jess and Maya.
At it again.
Can you do this?
Go.